Why do birds fly south in winter? In winter in the north, cold weather makes bird food sources, such as insects and seeds, scarce. Many types of food freeze or disappear, making it difficult for birds to have enough energy to survive. Migrating south helps them find richer food, meeting their nutritional needs to maintain health and energy. The cold climate in the north makes maintaining body temperature difficult and consumes a lot of energy. Migrating to warmer places helps birds conserve energy and avoid the risk of death from cold. Some bird species migrate to ensure ideal conditions for raising their young. As the weather gets warmer in the south, these areas become ideal places for birds to find food easily and protect their young from harsh environments. Many bird species have the instinct to migrate to optimize survival. This is a trait that has evolved over thousands of years, helping birds navigate warmer areas in winter and return to the north in spring, where conditions are more ideal for breeding and nest building. Changes in daylight and temperature act as environmental signals, triggering migratory instincts in birds. As daylight decreases and temperatures begin to drop, the bird's body reacts and prompts a migration south. So we have just acquired more knowledge about the question. Why do birds fly south in winter?